We guide you through how to fix the share screen audio problem in Google Meet. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you are using Google Chrome because some browsers do not fully support system audio sharing. Next, when you click Present Now, choose a tab instead of your entire screen or a window because only tab sharing allows audio to be included. After selecting the tab, check the bottom left corner and make sure you tick the box that says Share Tab Audio before you click Share. If the audio still does not work, stop sharing and restart Google Meet. Then rejoin the meeting and try again. Also check your computer volume and ensure the correct output device is selected in your sound settings. If you are using extensions like ad blocker or audio tools, disable them temporarily because they may block sound transmission.